plastids. The plastids are very important. A structure, a double walled, this is nothing but is a double walled membrane, double walled, a dense structures which are present in the plant cell alone, not present in the animal cell. Now, in this case, based upon the color, we have to categorize it into three main types of the plastids. Chloroplast, this is a common, inconspicuous of the three types. A green structure which contains chlorophyll pigment which helps in photosynthesis, that is a manufacture of the food material, that is a kitchen house of the plant, the made chloroplast. Next is chromoplast. What is mean by chromoplast? Chromoplast are nothing but these are also is a plastid. They are other than the green in color. It may be vary from red color, yellow color, orange color like this. These are mainly which helps to giving the color to the what mean some of the plant parts, namely flowers and fruits. This is a giving the or impact the what means a color to flowers and fruits and flowers. The next is leuco. The name itself it has the meaning. Leuco means is a colorless plastid. These are called the what is colorless plastid. There is no any color at all. Now, in this case, these plastids are mainly which helps in a storage of the starch material, protein and oil within the cell. We are going to an interesting topic, the cell organelles, their structure and functions. Before going to this, what is mean by cell organelles? Tiny structures which are present inside of the cell are called cell organelles. In Tamil word, cell nunnuruppukal. Cell organelles are only not visible under the light microscope, only viewed under the electron microscope, because all these structures are very ultra microscopic structures. They are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. So, now let us, what are the cell organelles? Cell organelles includes mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, ribosomes, then chloroplast, etc. Now, let us, we have to see the what means one by one, the detailed structure of the what means a cell organelle. One of the important cell organelle is called mitochondria. The mitochondria is one of the cell organelles. These cell organelles are present in the anywhere of the cytoplasm of the cell. The structure of the mitochondria, they shows the double walled membrane. Outer membrane is always a very smooth. The inner membranes are folded into many finger-like projections. These finger-like projections are known as cristae. This is the internal structures. Now, this mitochondria we store the what means excess of food material, energy. The energy will be stored within the what means mitochondria. Whenever the cell is need the energy, they are releasing. That's why the mitochondria is known as powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria is the site of the cellular respiration. As the result of cellular respiration, they produce the energy. That energy is produced in the form of ATP. ATP means nothing but adenosine triphosphate. This is nothing but energy currency of the cell. Energy currency, that is a money, like the energy currency. This is one of the neat oriented question. Okay, do you understand this? Next, what is the function means? Store the energy to release the energy whenever the cell is required means they are releasing. That's why we call the word is powerhouses of the cell. Okay. Next, we are go for the what means next cell organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum mainly which are present in the cytoplasm of the cell at joint at one end is called a nuclear membrane, whereas other end is joined with what mean cell membrane. This is nothing but we call the word is cell membranes. They are network of the intertubular like structures, intertubular network of connected intertubular like structures. These structures are which helps in transporting of the material between the cells, These structures are which give the mechanical support to the cell. That's why we call the word is endoplasmic reticulum is called a cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton of the cell. Cyto means cell, skeleton means bone. Cytoskeleton of the cell. Okay. Now, this endoplasmic reticulum are two types on the basis of whether it is presence of the ribosomes are attached on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. This type of endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. While in some cases that surface doesn't have any ribosomes, that is very smooth surface, we call it as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum is very important role to giving the what means a mechanical support to the cell, Now, the rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in synthesis of the what means a protein substances, synthesis of protein. Okay. Next, we go for the what means a next organelle, Golgi apparatus. This Golgi apparatus or commonly we call the word is Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus, Golgi bodies, several names. These Golgi apparatus are generally which are present in the above or near the what means a nucleus. This is we call the word is nucleus. Near to the what means a nucleus, they are a membranous stack. Stacks means is a one over the one arranged. A stalk like a tubular like structures which fluid filled lumen which consists of arranged one over the one. This structure is Golgi complex. This is discovered by scientist named Camillo Golgi. Okay. Now, they are tubular like structures are attached with a circular smaller structure. The smaller structure is called vesicles. A larger structure is called a vacuole. Larger one is called a vacuole. This is main thing is involved in this cell organelles are mainly involved in cell secretory in function like secretion of the secretion of the what means a protein, secretion of some enzymes, secretion of the what means some hormones, secretory in function. Mainly we do the what function means secretory in function. So our secretion of enzymes and hormones are secreted. Now in case of the plant cell, it is a very minute structure. This is a very minute structure of the Golgi apparatus present in the plant cell. That's we call it as a what mean dictyosomes. This main function is cell secretion. We go for the what means a next part. Next cell organelle, ribosomes. The ribosomes are a very membraneless, minute, granular like structure. This is we call the word is granular like structures. Alright. Ribosomes are a granular like structure, membraneless, which consists of various enzymes. These enzymes are help in digestion in function. So that's why digestive in function and contain the what means various substances. The ribosomes are they are mostly attached on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, outer membrane of the nuclear membrane. They are attached on the surface, or it may be freely in the cytoplasm of the cell, Each ribosome which consists of two subunit, smaller subunit. This is a larger subunit which contains various enzymes. These are which are helps to synthesize of the what means a protein substances. So now the ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. They are very rich in RNA and proteins. The ribosomes are a very powder-like granular membraneless. There is no any membrane, which are helps in mainly synthesis of the what means is a protein synthesis in function. The next, lysosome. The lysosome is one of the important organelle. This is generally present in animal cell. The lower plants are also presence of the what means a lysosome. Lysosome are a small sac-like, small spherical-like structures which consists of many enzymes are there. These enzymes are helps in digestion of the what means a digestion in function. That's why we call the word is digestive bags. This is we call the word is digestive bags. Digestive bags of the cell. Now, while in case the lysosomes are also contains the various enzyme which helps in digestion of the and destroy or lysis of the what means unwanted substances are present in the cell to clean the what means digesting the what means dead cells. They are removing. That's why we call the word is the suicidal bags of the cell. We call the word is suicidal bags of the cells. So, which is known as suicidal bags? Kaushik Shankar. Suicidal bags, lysosome, very good. Right. Suicide means to clean it and kill and destroying the entire cell, dead cells, and all the thing will be clean it. The suicidal bags of the cell. Now, any foreign materials, while if it is enter into the cell, immediately to these foreign materials like bacteria and damaged cell, dead cells are cleaned and killed by means of producing some enzymes. That's why they are called the word is suicidal bags of the cell. These lysosomes are very prominent and found in the animal cell. In case the lower plant cell only to contain the what means a few of the lower plant cells contain lysosomes. Right. Next. The centrosome and the centrioles. What is mean by centrosome? Centrosome, while if it is see the what means is a nucleus. Above the nucleus, two dotted-like structures are seen on the animal cell. The centrosomes are only present in the animal cell just near to the what means a nucleus. This is we call the word is nucleus. Near to the nucleus, a two dotted-like structure is called centrosome. A centrosome is it consists of a pair of two tubular-like structure, granular. This is a 1 and this is a 2. 1, 2. 2. This is a 1 like, this is this like. These structures are called the word is centrosome. This two rod-like structure is called, each rod-like structures is called centrioles. These centrioles are a very important role, play an important role in the formation of the cilia, and formation of the flagella. That is a cilia formation and flagella formation in case of the lower organisms. Next, we see, look at the board, Mr. Jayaprakash, right. Now we have to go see the what means this, the spindle fibers. During the centrosomes are very important role in formation of the spindle fiber during the cell division. What is the spindle fiber? While the chromosomes, this is a chromosomes. They are formed the one daughter-like structure. This is a form the daughter-like structure. This is we call the word is spindle fiber. Spindle fibers. This is mainly helps in the what means is to pull the chromosome up and down. Okay, this is spindle formation and the aster formation, aster formation. Now, centrioles are in case take part in the formation of cilia and flagella. In case of the plant cell, the centrosome is absent. Up now, if it is absent, mean that function is done by the centrosome function is done in plant cells is one of the structures we call it as a polar caps. The polar caps are perform the function of the centrosome in plant cell. Next we go for the what means next structure, plastid. The plastid is one of the very largest cell organelles in the plant cell. These plastids are a very essential characteristic feature of the plants. The plastids are categorized into 3 types. We learned that is called the chloroplast. We call the word is chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. These are 3 important plastid in plant cells. Now, among these plastid, one of the very important plastid is a chloroplast. The chloroplast is a green colored plastid which contains one of the green color pigment that we call the word is chlorophyll. These chlorophylls are a very important role to trap the what means sunlight and carry out the photosynthesis. The chlorophyll to trap the sunlight and convert the what means a light energy into the what means a chemical energy. That process we call it as photosynthesis. Now, on the basis of the pigment, the plastids are categorized into 3 main types, namely that is a leucoplast. We know leuco means colorless plastid. These plastids are mainly which helps to store the what means a food material like the starch in case of the potato. Chloroplast is helps in green colored plastid which give or impart the green color to the plant to do the what means a various function, that is a synthesis of food material. Chromo means colored plastid. They are other than the green in pigment which consists of certain colors, namely yellow, orange, red. This is helps to impart means to give the color to the what means a leaf, fruit and flowers, etc., seeds, etc. Now, chloroplast. The chloroplast is a small rod-like structure to double-walled membrane. It consists of outer membrane and inner membrane. Now, within the chloroplast is contains one of the colorless matrix. Colorless matrix are present between the grana. This is one grana and grana in between filled with what means a colorless matrix. Colorless matrix is known as stroma. Inside of the what means a mitochondrial matrix which consists of many membrane like, that is a membranes are arranged coiled like. This is known as grana. In singular we call the word is granum. That is a structure of the chloroplast. This chloroplast is most important function is which contain the chlorophyll pigment to trap the solar energy and synthesize the food material, that is a photosynthesis. Hence, the chloroplast is known as kitchen of the cell. Next, stand up, Mr. Aravind, which is known as a kitchen house of the cell. Sir, very good. Chloroplast, sit down. Now, the chloroplast have also contain some DNA material. This DNA which have the ability or capacity to divide. They will be 1 and 2 like this they are dividing. Now, the chloroplast is very important. Without chloroplast means there is no any green. Most of the plants are green color means due to the containing plastid is called chloroplast. That chloroplast which contain the pigment is known as chlorophyll pigment. Next, vacuoles. In the vacuoles are almost is absent in animal cell, while if it is present mean they are very smaller in size, many in numbers. While in case of the what means a plant cell, the vacuole is a large in size and few in number. In case of the what means a amoeba, the vacuole which store the what means a food material, that vacuole is called a food vacuole. This vacuole is a to digestive in function, to do the what means a digestive in function. Now the vacuole is nothing but a small vacuole, a spherical like structures, that fluid filled spherical like cavities, that is we call the what is a present in the cytoplasm of the cell are called a vacuole. These vacuoles are filled with one fluid. This is a filled with fluid, a matrix, a watery matrix of the present in the vacuole. Watery means water like. This is we call it as a what mean cell sap. Now the vacuoles are surrounded by one membrane. This is surrounded by one membrane. This membrane is known as tonoplast. This membrane is called a tonoplast. Now what is a tonoplast? Very good. Sit down. Now tonoplast. Now the vacuole stores the various materials like enzymes, hormones, pigments, and in case of the what means a plant cell, the vacuole is very large in size and gives the maximum supporting to the what means a plant cell. That is here vacuoles are mainly which provide the turgidity and rigidity to the what means a cell. Turgidity. The next is their main thing is to store the what means some of the items, namely pigments, enzymes, and waste product, useful minerals and salts and everything will be stored in the vacuole.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் காலத்தை அனுபவம் உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திருந்து செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக திகழ்வேன். அகம் மற்றும் புறத்தூய்மை கடைபிடித்து உடல் மண்டலம் பேணி அன்றாட வேலையில்